Hey guys, Raven back with another video, and today we are going to do struggles of Animal Jam. No, like literally struggles. 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 No, like seriously, there was like loads of new Jammer struggles, and I'm going to list them for you. Let's get on to this video. Yes. Number 1, the new Jammer.
Welcome to Animal Jam. Check out all of these amazing animals and choose which one you would like to be. Then click Next.
Okay, I would like to be a penguin.
Click the arrow buttons to pick a fun new name for your animal.
I will be the struggle. Fabulous swag, artistic teeth. Perfect though. No, artistic. Toucan. No, but I'm not a toucan. Animal. Perfect.
Enter your birthday and tell us if you are a boy or a girl. Then create a unique username and password for your account. Ask a parent for help if you need to.
Okay, my username will be perfect. Okay. I'm just gonna pass it on. It's starting. Oh my god!
Welcome to your new home! My name is Peck, and I'd like to show you around. Follow me!
Can you be quiet? Can you be quiet? I want to just start the game. I want to start this game.
Here in Jama, everyone has their own unique style. Let's start by customizing yours. You can choose and combine lots of different colors. You can change the shape and color of your eyes. And you can create lots of different colorful patterns. Why don't you give it a try? When you are happy with your new look, use the X button in the corner to everyone seems to love the new you. How do you feel about it? To show others how you're feeling, use the emote button to choose your favorite emote. I know just what you mean. Hey, look! Free stuff! Wow! Look at all those gems! How many did you find? Wow! You sure are lucky. You'll find more fun ways to get gems as you explore Jama, along with lots of places to spend them. You'll also find lots of games, adventures, shops, and even parties. I think you're ready to explore on your own. This way, to Jama!
Okay, now let me go. Let me have my freedom. But thank you guys so much for watching. Hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure to subscribe and like, and yeah, jam on. Yeah, I'm too lazy to go on my other account. But yeah, bye.